Hi, kindergartners. Okay, today we're doing a very similar lesson to yesterday. So when you are doing this lesson yesterday, I know that you listened to a story and you were retelling what happened in the story. You're doing that same thing. So you're going to listen to this story called The Library Lion, and it is literally the cutest story in the entire universe. I love it. You're going to listen to the story, and you have to find somebody to retell the story to. Now, when you're retelling a story, remember, you need to have remembered two character names, at least two character names, the main characters, and you need to come up with 3 events, major events that happen in the story. And you start from the beginning, you go to the middle, and then you tell them about the end. Spoiler alert, make sure you tell them spoiler alert. After you're done listening to the story and retelling the story to somebody in your household, you're going to click on the Lumio B button to practice with some more handwriting. Now, when I looked at your handwriting practice from yesterday, I noticed that we weren't doing the letters all the way from the top of the line to the bottom of the line. So when I say attic and basement in this video, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, bring this over here. This is what your Lumio looks like. When I say attic and basement, you have to start from this top line, and you have to do a really good job at following the dots all the way to the basement, to attic to basement. Copying them. Oh, I made a little mistake. That's okay. I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to be too worried about it. Now, if you are doing this on a separate sheet of paper, that's fine, but draw yourself some lines so that you can practice that attic to basement. All right, when you're doing these. All right? All right, have a good handwriting practice, and I'll see you later.